Hello! Today, I am refilming some parts of a video that I actually filmed a little bit ago, but lost certain footage to, so it may be a little bit disjunct. It is a blessing in disguise because a lot of the parts that I lost were parts that were on my face and head area. And I'll tell you right now, the way that I looked the day that I filmed that, it's fine that we lost that. It's okay. Today, I am making some cotton rounds because I ran out of cotton rounds. So I'm making my own reusable ones out of stuff that I already have. So, let's talk about what I am using. I am using two different kinds of fabric. One of the fabrics is a thicker, squishier fabric for absorbing purposes. And then the other one is a softer material that's thinner for putting it on my face purposes. So I've got a bunch of these middle bits that look like this. I cut them in circles. Did I measure the circles? No. Are all the circles the same? No. But yeah. Anyway, let's get started. Whoops. First things first, I cut out a bunch, I think like 13 or 14 of these from extra fabric. These are like thick, but they also wouldn't be very comfy to rub on my face. So next, I am taking this old dress that has a bunch of stains on it that I already tried to remove several times, and I'm cutting out some circles, and I'm gonna want 2 dress circles for every scratchy circle that I have. So those clips that you just saw were from a while ago, obviously. And then the next thing that I'm gonna do in a clip from a while ago is I'm gonna sew together these pieces with my 2 dress pieces on the bottom and then my thicker piece on the top. So it'll go, you know, the 2 dress pieces are together. And then I'm just gonna sew around in a circle with my trusty needle and thread here. You could use a sewing machine. However, I will probably never use my sewing machine again. If you want to know why, I've got a video that you can watch, and I'll link it in the cards up above my face somewhere. So yeah, anyway, rock and roll. All right, so now that I've come to this part, I'm gonna stop there, and I'm just gonna tie this off. Now I'm just gonna cut around the extra. Okay, anyway, now that all my extra is cut off, I'm gonna go to my green side, and I'm gonna go between my 2 layers of green very carefully, where I have my opening right here. And I'm gonna turn it inside out, or right side in, or whatever you want to call it. See, so I've just turned it inside out, and then next I'm gonna close my little opening here. I could probably do this in like a way where you couldn't see the stitches, but since these are just for me to wipe all over my own face, I just don't care. Okay, so yeah, these are the finished product. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's just for me, so it doesn't matter. If you make these yourself, I do recommend making them, cutting your circles a little bit bigger than you think they need to be, because they will end up being smaller than you think they're going to be. I have like a mesh bag that I've been putting them in after I use them, and it's in the wash right now with some dirty ones. We'll see how that works. If you enjoyed this kind of content, this video, please don't forget to like it. If you're not subscribed and you kind of like how we do things around here, subscribe. And yeah, if you've got an idea for some sort of project you want me to try next, maybe it's a recipe, maybe it's a project, maybe it's something entirely different, leave it in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great whatever you're having.